Hi, this is Global Digital Ideas. Welcome with a new video. In this video I will teach you how you can download YouTube videos or any other video in very simple way. Follow the steps and you are done. Most of the time you watch and want to download movies, dramas, or any type of video on YouTube, Facebook and any other website. But you cannot find any download button here. Here in the description I shared the Google Drive link from you can download the software named Internet Download Manager. Simply go to link and install it in your PC. Hope you know how to install any software. Patch file is already uploaded in the drive. After installation of the software, open the browser and go for extensions setting here. Now here you will see Internet Download Manager integration module. Just you want to do is enable this extension. When you enable it, you can download any of video which you play in this browser. As you can see here, pop-up window show on the top of video. Click on it and select the resolution of the video, which 720p or 1080p, and download it. Install it in your PC, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching guys, take care of yourself, see you in the next video. If you still not subscribed my channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon so that you will be notified of any new video.